This is my cheat code for how I get my picky eater to eat his veggies without complaining. Now, to make this super easy and delicious flourless cheese sauce, you just need 2 ingredients and about 5 minutes. You'll need 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream and half a cup of shredded cheese. Place a small sauce pot on your burner and add the cream and turn the heat on to medium. When the cream starts to bubble just slightly, you can lower the heat a little bit and add in your shredded cheese. Now with the heat on low, give your mixture a really good stir until it's completely smooth and the cheese is totally melted. Check your cheese sauce for seasoning and see if it needs a pinch of salt and a little bit of pepper. That's all there is to it. Now, as your sauce cools, it is going to tighten up a little bit. I love this cheese sauce on just some steamed broccoli and some roasted potatoes. You could also use it with cauliflower or a super quick mac and cheese. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this recipe was helpful. If you need to print the recipe card, you can visit the link in the description down below, or you can go to fancyaproncooking.com.
Thanks for watching. Come back for more.